What is going on YouTube? Hater back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. And today we are going to be looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, if you watched this morning's video, we're tracking a potential pop on Solana, which is forming what appears to be a 2-hour symmetrical triangle, very similar to what we're going to be going over today, which was Bitcoin's symmetrical triangle that exploded and Ethereum's symmetrical ascending triangle, whatever you want to call it, triangle nonetheless, breakout on both. So simple, so easy. We called this a couple of days ago here, and it was a very easy buying opportunity. It was actually 2 days ago that we saw this forming, a couple maybe earlier when we had it a little bit in here. We were filling this gap in. We knew the opportunity was approaching here for us to buy in and leverage this to the upside, and an explosion happened nonetheless. We're also going to be looking at the S&P 500. Probably won't have time, but maybe towards the end of the video here, as we are forming some sort of ascending fractal. So I'm super excited to go over everything. Obviously, you guys know Bitcoin has just retested what I think is all-time highs. Some people aren't. Some people are saying that it is. I guess it all depends on the exchange that you're looking at here. But as you can see, what happens if Bitcoin reaches all-time highs? We're going to be looking over this article as well as the halving talk, because big things are coming this year. I've been saying this for years. I don't care what anyone else says. I don't care about it. We've been talking about this for years. I make videos every single day since 2017. It is now 2024. I'm that much older. What, 8 years ago? I've been doing this straight every single day, you know, so it's here to stay. We're talking about it. This is a beautiful representation of basically everything that's in my head put out on a piece of paper. So I definitely want to go over that. And for those that are still watching, remember, we are doing a BidFi Amazon gift card giveaway, $20 Amazon gift card. Maybe we'll do more depending on how the markets move. Start this up, see how well you guys do. Some BidFi merch and a BidFi t-shirt. All you got to do is comment your favorite cryptocurrency down below. XRP, Bitcoin, Solana, Tether, USDT, blah, 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 blah. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, which is up 300%. Whatever it is, let me know down in the comments below, and make sure you are subscribed. Make sure if you haven't already subscribed to smash that subscribe button, because I'm going to be checking, and if you do not subscribe to the channel, I'm not going to be picking you, and I'll pick somebody else. Drawing will be this Sunday, so stay tuned for that. Sunday morning's video will have an update to see which lucky guy is getting some free stuff, and who doesn't like free stuff. We'll grab your email, I'll mail it out to you, so on and so forth. Anywho's, diving into today's video. Very important video, lots to discuss. You can see many days ago, we have been tracking what appears to be some sort of symmetrical triangle, getting closer, filling in the gap. Breakout happened, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. We've been talking about this for days now. I don't need to show you previous videos, but for those, we'll pull it up. If we find it here, there is going to be a commercial, but lots of interesting things to go over here. Markets overall are exploding. Lots of things to discuss and to talk about. I think I had drawn on Bitcoin. We had some sort of symmetrical triangle. Yeah, you can see that we found on its 4-hour, zoomed in even closer on its hourly chart. And we notice that this is a wave. You can see here that we are getting this close to breaking through. Look at it. We called it just a couple of days ago here. Just 2 days ago, we mapped out the point of breakout here, filling in the gap, and we needed a decision for us to know when that buying opportunity would be and when we could long it to the upside here. We also found one on Ethereum too, just a couple of days ago here, and those have both done exactly as predicted and freaking exploded. Blew the lid off the thing, and we've exploded to the upside here. Nonetheless, diving into the video, lots of important things to go over. I wanted to go over the technical analysis too, but market is at 90 on the fear and greed index, which means extreme greed. We're trading at 4.5% up. We're over $2.5 trillion in the market. Money is just flooding and pouring and dumping into the space. It is incredible. Bitcoin's up 20% for the week. Ethereum's up 16%. Where is it? Shiba is up almost 300%. Doge is up 90. I know what you guys are thinking. FOMO, missing out. I get it. I hear you. Just remember, what goes up always comes down. I've seen it so many times where we like mega crash, we dump, and exchanges glitch out and close, and the money just keeps dumping here. And there's a good chance it's going to happen. Maybe not today, maybe not in a week, but sooner or later it is. I've had it, you know, a pit in your stomach where your heart sinks because of how quickly things drop. So just be prepared that we're in risky business right now. Now, this morning's video, we talked about that XRP is really in this kind of bubble here. You can see I'm just circling a square here, sideways channel. price ceiling, price floor, and we know when it's going to break out. We need to just close the daily above one of those. Conservative. Solana is soon filling in this gap, another breakout or breakdown, very similar to Ethereum and Bitcoin, and that's what we're kind of waiting on now. Are we going to head up higher? It's so difficult to discuss this because we are so freaking overbought already. We've just been buying in on so many technical patterns here. You can see how many, we had a bull flag here, we had a bull flag, we had a symmetrical triangle on Ethereum, here's another symmetrical triangle, another breakout. So again, it's too hard to say. Like, I wouldn't want to FOMO into Ethereum because we've already bought in on this and leveraged it. You wouldn't want to get in so late into the market here unless you want to risk it for the biscuit, but it's overbought. We've already bought in for most everyone. We've already took advantage of these opportunities. We've already bought in and we're just moving our stop loss up, which you can do on BidFi. If you feel like you FOMO'd and you missed out on Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can take advantage of Solana's next move. Check out my video this morning if you're interested here. But you can see Ethereum has erupted, exploded to the upside. It looks incredibly well. Same thing with Bitcoin here on its Bitcoin hourly chart here. We had a beautiful symmetrical triangle, filled in a gap, erupted, exploded to the upside. Crazy part is if I want to show you something funny here. Right here is high, and you can see we're currently at it again, but notice when we were that high in the beginning, it was 86 in the RSI. Now we're down to 56. We're at the same exact price level here, so there's plenty of room to continue to head up higher. Remember, this is the hourly, extremely aggressive trade, but a very easy trade nonetheless. Now, we obviously do all this on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange. BidFi also has a way for you guys to win $550 in free cryptocurrency. It's not even win, it's a giveaway. So if you want to go claim your rewards, literally go sign up with the link down in the description below, complete the tasks, and you can earn $550 in free cryptocurrency. So make sure to do that. BidFi is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use, where you can buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. We knew Bitcoin was going to be erupting. Once we had that confirmation breach, we were trading and tracking this sideways channel here, filling in the gap. Nothing is volatile in crypto. When it is, it's usually a huge sign of pump or dumps. And you can see since that breakout happened here, we have literally like moonshotted up to incredible highs. We take the price range here. We're up 31% since that breakout. And we called this. We had that opportunity to get in and get out here. But since then, we've just erupted and have continued to pump and explode to the upside. So I'm thrilled to see it happening all at once on BidFi. Every crypto, pretty much any crypto you put your money into right now, you can walk away with free profits. So make sure to check it out on BidFi. Not only that, BidFi offers a welcome rewards and a demo account. You can see right here, you can earn over 2K in free crypto by clicking these advanced, exclusive, and new user tasks, filling it out, link down in the description below. Go claim your free money. BidFi also has a demo account, which gives you $50,000 in Monopoly money to test your skills completely free. It's that simple. That means you can practice trading. Instead of risking your own hard-earned cash, you can practice with 50K in Monopoly money free on BidFi. Get familiar with the exchange, learn how to trade, and then move over to BidFi's real account right here with live money. You can also check out all my trades on Patreon, which is linked down in the description below if you'd like my trades. Make sure to check this all out ASAP. Links are down in the description below for XR or for Bitcoin, for BidFi, so on and so forth. If you want to trade Bitcoin on BidFi, they have tons of cryptos: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, literally every single crypto that I trade is on BidFi. So make sure to check that out. Anywho, more information about Bitcoin. We've exploded on the hourly. We jumped to the 4-hour. We're still pumping, overbought. We jumped to I want to go to the weekly here. You can see how, we retested all-time highs. You could say we might have broken all-time highs depending on the exchange, but we are so freaking overbought. But there's a chance we could continue to pump higher. We're also overextended, so there's also a chance of correction here. But we knew this week was going to explode. I literally made a video over the weekend saying, where is it? Next week will be epic. I don't even know how much more obvious I needed to be. I said it straightforward. That's why I recommend you watch every single one of my videos here. We literally stated XRP will be epic next week. Same thing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also going to be epic, and that's what we're seeing already. So this is a very easy call, very easy explanation. However, things are entering overbought. But again, when we start entering a bull market, we can just keep pumping. We can be overbought at 67, and we can be in the same overbought realm at 100,000. So things start to get real wonky right now. Things are going to start to get manipulated. Just understand we are overextended right now, and any sooner than later, we do need to come back down, a healthy pullback, and then we'll pump higher. Now, I want to read these two articles and we'll wrap up today's video. You can see here what happens if Bitcoin reaches all-time highs. What's the difference? ETFs, Wall Street, and a lack of celebrity influencers for now. Remember that. Once the mainstream media comes in, which they're going to probably start talking about, the second you start seeing the news, influencers, people say, guess what, guys? Bitcoin just hit all-time highs. It's not too late to get in. Blah, 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 blah. What are we going to see? All the people that have sat out on the sidelines, all the people that have ignored me about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency are going to be like, wait, I can get a chance to get in. I'm going to get in. And they are. And on Coinbase, it is so easy now to buy Bitcoin as it was years ago on, difficult exchanges. I mean, I forget. It was very weird buying Bitcoin in 2016, 2015, a little easier 2017. Well, right now, everybody's got Coinbase downloaded. You just download it. Boom, you got Bitcoin. We're going to start to see that happen, and just stupid money, dumb money, people that shouldn't be in crypto are going to just start dumping crypto money into crypto, and the price is going to go well over 100K. I'm already calling it right now, so it is still early. It's still early. It's not too late to take advantage of this market here. But you can see it is now within striking distance from all-time highs, 69,000. Many people, even industry insiders, have been taken aback by the price action, bleak market, blah, blah, blah. Celebrities aren't here just yet, which is what we're talking about, institutional lending. Lots of this stuff isn't here just yet, but it is coming. And you can see here, this is what I have in my head, all shown right here. This chart was made months ago here, mid-2023, and you can see they actually anticipated 35K when the halving comes around 4/20 of 2024. We still got a month left, and we haven't even hit it yet. There's a chance we could dip, though. We could correct back to 30 to 50K in the very near future because we're overbought, and I wouldn't be surprised. Check it out. These white bands represent the halving here. Notice there are times where back at 2013, we hit a high before then, and we pulled down to the halving. Same thing here. Pulled a little bit down to the halving. Same thing here. Kind of came down to the halving. We hit a high at some point mid-year, but we end up pulling back down to the halving. Same thing could happen now. We could be at a high, but we could pull back down to about 35 to 50K before then. And then, moonblast up to 150K, which is the price target here. This is beautiful. Go take a screenshot and put it on your wall so you guys remember. We've been talking about the lows of 17K literally since we hit it. November of 2022. That's an easy opportunity to buy into crypto. It has happened so freaking consistently here. It is not surprising in any way. So it's just unheard of. It's absurd. The next opportunity to buy in, it was 2023 here, or 2022. So 4 years from then would be probably 26. Bull run had hit 21. So I'm thinking 26. We'll tweak this chart later on, but right now let's just enjoy the fruit of our profits here. I'm excited. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, make sure to enter the giveaway down in the description, in the comments. Sign up for BidBuy in the description. See you in tomorrow's video. Peace.